Information technology, IT, has become an essential driver of innovation and efficiency in both healthcare and education. By digitizing and streamlining processes, IT has improved service delivery, enhanced accessibility, and empowered both professionals and end users in these critical sectors. IT in healthcare. In healthcare, IT plays a pivotal role in improving patient care, data management, and decision-making. One of the most significant contributions is the development of electronic health records, EHR. These digital records replace paper files, enabling healthcare providers to access patient information quickly, securely, and accurately, reducing medical errors and enhancing continuity of care. Telemedicine is another major advancement powered by IT. It allows patients to consult doctors remotely via video calls and messaging apps, reducing the need for physical visits, especially beneficial for rural populations and during emergencies like the COVID-19 pandemic. Hospital operations are now more efficient through hospital management systems, HMS. These systems handle everything from patient registration, billing, appointment scheduling, inventory management, to staff coordination, resulting in better patient experiences and operational productivity. IT also supports medical research through access to global databases, journals, and data analytics. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning help in early disease detection, image analysis, e.g., X-rays and MRIs, and even robotic surgeries, which are more precise and less invasive. Mobile apps and wearable devices track vital health statistics like heart rate, blood pressure, glucose levels, etc., promoting preventive care and patient empowerment. IT in education. In the education sector, IT has transformed traditional classrooms into digital learning environments. E-learning platforms such as Google Classroom, Zoom, and Moodle allow students to attend classes from anywhere, making education more inclusive and accessible. Smart classrooms use projectors, digital whiteboards, and interactive content to make learning more engaging and effective. Teachers can use videos, animations, and simulations to explain complex topics, enhancing student understanding. Learning management systems, LMS, help institutions manage coursework, assignments, quizzes, and grades. These platforms enable personalized feedback and real-time tracking of student progress. IT also enables access to global resources. Online libraries, research databases, and educational websites provide students and teachers with a wealth of information beyond textbooks. AI-powered learning tools offer personalized content based on students' learning pace and style. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, bring subjects like science, history, and geography to life, creating immersive and memorable learning experiences.